Black Friday traffic is coming and most websites, they are not ready. Everyone says landing page can boost conversion, but here's the truth. Only well-designed ones can actually do. A killer landing page can boost conversions by up to 400%, and in this video I will show you exactly how to build a clean conversion-focused landing page for Black Friday inspired by experimental add-ons. Using the same technique, you can create any landing page you want for any theme or template. So let's create a landing page that not only looks stunning but also sells. So here's the page we are going to create. Clean, dark themed, focused. Visitor instantly see the massive offer, bold CTAs, everything designed to convert. And the best part, you can recreate this from scratch without wasting time on fancy clicks. So let's get started. Let's start with the announcement bar. I'm adding a flex box with 3 columns and setting it to full width so it stretches across the screen. Now just adjusting the width and spacing to keep everything balanced. Then adding an image background that contrasts nicely with the dark hero section. Also tweaking the inner container spacing and width. Next, dropping in the widgets. By the way, all the widgets I'm using have detailed tutorials on Expert channel. So if you want in-depth tutorials, make sure to check out the channel. Now for the heading widget, keeping the text bold and direct, something like biggest sale of the year. Then create a bit of urgency, add a line like limited time offer, and drop in a countdown widget right next to it. Finally, a CTA like claim discount or get the deal. Your button should have a specific message. Make sure the button color really stands out. Adjust the alignment so everything sits nicely in place. And don't forget to highlight the discount you're offering. I'm using an image widget for that. To move it around freely, go to its advanced setting, scroll to position, and here set it to absolute. Now you can place it wherever it looks best. Now for the main banner, this is where you create real impact. I'm adding a large flexbox container with a row direction, setting the content width to boxed, setting the height and width, and adding a dark, dramatic image background that screams Black Friday. Now inside, I need 2 containers side by side, so I'm dropping in those, width to 50% each, and setting the direction to column. Then giving the main container around 200 pixels padding from the top. Now starting with the first container, adding the advanced heading widget for the main headline. This is the first thing visitors read, so make it powerful and focused on the value. In the subtitle, add a gentle pressure. A little urgency can go a long way. Now let's style it. You can style your center title differently, like I gave a different color to the Friday. Now in the second container, this is for the discount details. Dropping the heading widget. This time, giving it a text stroke instead of color. Now adding the discount image. Next, the heading for the sale ending period. Duplicating the heading to save time. The image position needs to be adjusted, so for that, clicking on the image, going to its advanced tab, and here setting its position to absolute. Now I can move it freely. Let's quickly tweak the second heading. Now time for the countdown widget and CTA button. I'm just copying from the announcement bar and making minor tweaks. Don't make people hunt for your button. Keep it right where they can see it so they can act instantly. For a bit of motion, add a text marker widget in the main container. Let's position it. It's perfect for keeping the page interactive and repeating key messages like sale is live, get up to 50% off, and so on. Now to give it a stylish touch, go to its advanced settings, scroll to transform, and here adjust the rotate until it fits perfectly. So after using the rotate option, the marquee may stick out or show a scroll bar. Just select the container holding the text marquee, go to the additional options, and from the overflow drop down, set it to hide to clean it up instantly. Now duplicating it, moving it slightly down, changing the colors and direction, and done. Looks amazing, right? By the way, if you're finding this helpful so far, don't forget to hit the like button. It really helps others finding this tutorial. Now back to our work. Now let's structure the pricing. A clean flex box to start, and we will drop in a heading and a short subtitle to hook attention. This is where you clearly state the deal. For the pricing layout, we will use a content toggle button so user can easily switch between annual and lifetime deals. Now let's add the packages inside. For the annual plan, you can reuse your saved templates if you have one, or build it live using the dynamic option where you can create it live inside the editor. We're going to use the pricing matrix widget. Add your content here. Pricing is where people make or break decisions, so keeping it simple, scannable, and trustworthy is the key. Deleting this comparison price column since it's not needed here. Now increasing the width so the packages display nicely and look balanced. Now go ahead and change the content for the rest of the items and style it. The options are same as we have used in the other widget. Once you're done, your pricing section should look something like this. Publish it, and there you go. Next, do the same for the lifetime plans. Here we're going to reuse the template, and just like that, your entire pricing section is ready. Once your content is done, style the content toggle to match the rest of the theme. Next, to build trust, let's add a payment method section. Dropping a container, keeping its direction to raw so the elements are placed side by side. Next, dropping in a heading widget, a short 100% secure checkout text. And adding an image to display supported payment methods. This small section really boosts confidence, especially during Black Friday season. Now for the testimonials, adding a Flexbox container with 2 columns and setting it up. On one side, dropping a heading and a button, copying and pasting and tweaking it. We will add the reviews from WordPress forum. Now in the other container, dropping in the testimonial carousel widget. Updating the content with glorious testimonials and styling it. Trust is everything during the holiday season. Social proofs like testimonials and reviews reassure visitors that they're making the right decision. Finally, let's add a money back guarantee section. Using a 2-column Flexbox, giving it a light gray background and border so it stands out. Next, adding the heading, something like 14 days money back guarantee. In the second container, adding a short description with the info box widget to explain the refund policy along with a button for quick action. Now let's see what we have created till now. Nice. Next, we detail the value what they will get. Copying the above container and pasting it here, changing the heading and title, deleting this price section, and here we're going to use the unfold widget to show off all those premium widgets without cluttering the page. Here again you can add your text, template or build live. Going with the template and styling it, users can view more by clicking on the button. Next, the why chooser section. Copying this entire section and pasting it below, updating the heading, adding another container with raw direction since I want the elements in a horizontal line. Here, dropping the counter widget, adding the values and customizing the counter design to make it visually engaging. Let's duplicate it. They need some space among them, so clicking on a container and here selecting space between. Now they look nice and balanced. Now for the free add-ons, copying and pasting this section again. Changing the template to free add-ons. Now for the free features, let's copy the section again and paste it. Now here we are going to use the info list widget to highlight key features like free theme builder, WooCommerce widget, update the items, style the info list, and finish with the CTA button to take action. Finally, the finishing touches, frequently asked questions. Every good landing page has an FAQ section. Add a heading, drop in the advanced accordion widget. FAQs help guide users and reduce doubts. Always include them for conversion-focused pages. Now to ensure it's mobile responsive, click on this device icon and here adjust the size, height, paddings. Remember, you can only make changes to those options that have this device icon right next to them. Always preview your landing page on mobile. Over 70% of Black Friday traffic comes from phone, so responsiveness is non-negotiable. Make these changes for the rest of your content. And your landing page will be responsive in no time. And there you have it. We have just built a complete conversion-focused Black Friday landing page focusing on the strategic section. We built trust, created urgency, and highlighted value without wasting a single second. So if you like this video, then don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more amazing videos. Thank you for watching.